back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and in today's video, I promise you, I'm gonna show you the easiest glitter wing eyeliner that you can create. So I'm gonna be using NYC liquid eyeliner. As you guys may know, it's one of my favorite liquid liners to use. It just glides right on. Now for the fun part, the glitter, I'm going to be using Midnight Madness by my glitter company, GlamourEyesByChar. It is a beautiful black holographic glitter. The link for this glitter will be in the goodie box down below. Today I'll be using Duo eyelash adhesive to apply the glitter. And just a little tip, you want to make sure you're working in little sections at a time. Don't apply the glitter all the way on the liquid eyeliner because obviously it's going to dry up pretty fast. So just work in little sections. We're almost finished, just gonna fill in this last part and I'll be back with the finished look. To my glitter eyeliner tutorial. I hope you found it as easy as I did. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll definitely answer them for you. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Thanks for watching, lovelies, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!